Hey, welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson, and today you join me in front of a 2026 Harris Grand Mariner 250. This boat is in the ceramic white with the ceramic white paint-matched ion tower. It's got the joystick system, the 327 pontoon package, and our favorite option, the new 425 V10 for Mercury. Let's come aboard and check out some of the interior features of this Grand Mariner 250. Stepping aboard this Grand Mariner 250, we've got a couple notable things here on the transom. Got a triple tube ski tow bar here. This is tube rated up to 1,000 pounds. That 425 V10 is a beast on this boat. With the 400, you're getting speeds over 50 miles an hour. This 425 will be pushing you even closer to 60. You got the lily pad easy step ladder on this Grand Mariner. That's a must-have on these higher end tri-toons, in my opinion. Nice wide treads, a very popular upgrade for the 2025 and 2026 model years. You've got safety chains that go over to your fender holders on both sides here. It's a really great way to have some rear-facing passengers while still staying compliant with Coast Guard laws. Here on board the boat, it's the SLEC layout. So you're gonna have the SL layout that we're very familiar with on these Grand Mariners. 3 ratcheting seat backs here can be adjusted to your liking, in addition to a dedicated cooler here under your port side seat back. These all fold back flat, give you a nice wide area here. Got RGB lighting and transom speakers as well. Cup holders, USB chargers, and a stereo remote off to the port side. As we walk inside, you've got this lounger that flips both directions and can go all the way flat as well with the removal of a cushion up there. You've got a block-off door here. You can keep your kids and pets inside while you're underway. Walking further inside, this boat's got that SLEC layout, so the SL with the entertainment center here. You've got a flip-up sink basin. You've got the table, as well as the refrigerator added to this boat. It's a really nice setup here. You get all the benefits of the SL layout with a little bit of additional storage for those days entertaining on the water. On the subject of storage, we've also equipped this boat with the optional ottoman with the built-in cooler. It's a nice feature. This moves around really easily. Great multi-use item here on the boat. USB chargers and cup holders are going to be everywhere you look. Here, you've got USB charger up top with the cup holders down below. The RGB lights are in the cup holders, they're in the speakers, they're all around this boat, including in the ion tower that you see here. Over on the driver's side here, got a nice raised helm platform. Your seat swivels, slides, and reclines, and you've got a tilt base for your steering wheel. We've optioned this boat with the upgraded Simrad NSX9, and we've added the second screen here to give you all that functionality. You've got the JL Platinum audio under this control right here, as well as some digital switching, power tower controls. You got your Mercury digital throttle and shift, and my favorite feature, the Mercury joystick piloting right there. Your driver's also gonna have a wireless charger under the cubby and lots of other storage in that area. Walking further forward, this boat's also gonna have the end table right here that flips up in combination with your other table. You got storage here, flip down armrests for your forward passengers, as well as a lot of storage under the floor in your center ski locker. That's a great place for your cover. Both front seats here are gonna have storage all around. Lots of great spaces for life jackets, dock lines, things like that. And your forward passengers will have 4 cup holders on either side with USB chargers there as well. Last but not least, we have optioned this boat with the forward bimini that attaches to the front of your ion tower. Can run real fast with this up, and it's a really comfortable place to be, really extends that shade and your days out on the boat. If you have any questions on this Grand Mariner 250 or any of our others, give us a call, check us out at marinemax.com, or stop by today for more info. Thanks for watching.